Hi, I'm Ruben Riffel and I'm here to introduce you to I&J's new Chef's Choice range. The perfect choice for any kind of catering. Fish and chips is such a classic dish and it's always a winner. And with the I&J battered hake fillet portions, you know you're serving a dish that your customers will love. I'm serving my fish and chips with guacamole, aioli and crispy chips. I&J battered hake fillet portion comes in two variants. Today I'm serving the lemon flavor black pepper, but you also get the classic variant. Now here's a great tip. For the ultimate consistency, I use a thermometer to check that my core temperature is always a minimum of 63 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I've made this lovely guacamole. I like using limes for that extra bit of sharpness. I also like it kind of spicy. I've added some jalapenos, tomato concasse in there, some spring onion, some coriander, just some more lime. Now for nice clean plating, I've got my little containers here on my plate. I'm just going to spoon that in there. For my aioli, I use minced garlic, so I mince it really fine, integrate better into the mayonnaise. Some Dijon mustard, there's some lemon juice in there, and I use two oils, canola oil and a little bit of the olive oil. Now why I use two, you want the flavor of the oil, but you don't want your aioli to be bitter. My aioli is in this little piping bag, just makes it easier to get it into the little bowl, and I think it looks nicer too. A little lemon cheek, now just to check on my fish and finish it off. Okay, nice warm crispy chips. The fish goes on, and that just gets sprinkled over. There you have it, my take on the classic I&J fish and chips. Find this recipe and many more on the I&J website.